Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today I am going to talk about the actual cause behind fighting with a family member, behind husband and wife fighting, behind the fighting with society or people. And the actual reason is religion. Why Hindu person is fighting with Muslim person, why Muslim person is fighting with another Muslim person, Shia and Sunni fighting, why this kind of things has happened in our society. I'm going to talk, but Lord Krishna here stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita what are the actual cause behind the fighting. Lord Krishna actually gave a name, the battle of Mahabharata, as a Dharma Yuddha. Dharma Kshetra Kuru Kshetra Kim Karu Sanjaya. Actually, all the people assembled in the Dharma Kshetra Kuru Kshetra, what actually these people were doing in the battlefield, because they were assembled in order to fight with each other. So whenever we have assembled to fight with each other, we are only and only satisfying our ego, our arrogance. The actual cause behind the fighting, and we are actually giving a name on the religion. But religion is not actual cause behind the fighting. Our arrogance, our ego is only and only actual cause behind the fighting, because we are only trying to satisfy our ego and our arrogance. We are only trying to show our superiority. I am the superior, other people are inferior. The superiority complex and inferiority complex both are actually responsible for fighting with each other. People are fighting with each other in order to show their talent, not show their actually reputations, in order to protect their reputation, which are actually worthless. Reputation is nothing but the actual form of arrogance, actual form of pride, actual form of ego. So reputation is nothing, listen it very carefully, reputation is nothing but actual form of pride and arrogance. Even Lord Krishna here stated why we are fighting with each other. Lord Krishna here stated it's a mental concoction. Because of mental concoction, because of the differences between the thoughts, differences between the ideas, and differences between the behavior as well as the acts. These all are responsible for fighting with each other. When we are accepting the thoughts of from our wife, from our parents, from our society, from our the acceptance is required in order to stop the fighting with each other. We have to accept the existence of the particular person, particular thoughts, particular behavior. When we are not thinking we are superior and other people are inferior, then we will, until unless we will not stop to fight with each other. We just have to stop. We just have to stop to think. We are not inferior and we are not superior. We are neutral. Because Lord Krishna, the supreme personality of Godhead, is situated into heart of each and every living entity. Then who the hell we are? I just want to give one example. Here Lord Krishna stated, what does Lord Krishna say in Srimad Bhagavad Gita? Lord Krishna here say, we are fighting with each other because we are considering this society as an instrument to get a happiness. As an instrument, we are considering the society as instrument to get a happiness, and we are considering our family as a main cause for getting happiness. So we will not do anything wrong with our family member. We will distribute our wealth as well as our happiness equally with our family member. So until unless we are not considering this entire society is our family, and Lord Krishna is situated into heart of each and every living entity, then till then we will fight with each other. We will not stop to fight with each other. This is main cause. And Lord Krishna further stated, Trividam narakasya dwaranam nasanam atma nah. त्रिविधम नरकस्य द्वारणम नाशनम आत्मानाः काम क्रोध तथा लोभ तस्माद त्वयं तु तज्जते. कृष्ण वासुदेव मधुसूदन मुकुंदा मुरारी केशव जनार्दन गोविंद वासुदेव कृष्ण गोपाला. Here stated त्रिविधम नरकस्य द्वारणम नाशनम आत्मानाः, नाशनम आत्मानाः, काम क्रोध तथा मोह, काम क्रोध तथा मोह, तस्माद तयम तु त्यज्यते, तस्माद immediately what you have to do, you just have to give this all up, because these all three factors, lust, anger and greed. Lust means our desire, our expectation, and our expectation actually responsible for giving a birth of arrogance and ego. Our expectation and desire, if someone has not fulfilled our expectation, not satisfy our expectation, then what we'll have to do, we will get arrogance. Why that person has done something wrong with me? Who the hell that person is to do something wrong with me? So this kind of arrogance, this kind of the revenge feeling, we don't have to go for revenge, because at the same time we are actually harming ourselves. So Lord Krishna here stated, Trividha Narakasya Dwaranam Nasanam Atmanah. Slok number 21, chapter number 16, Divine and Demonic Nature. Divine and Demonic Nature of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Sloks number 21, chapter number 16. Here Krishna stated, त्रिविधम नरकस्य द्वारणम नाशनम आत्मानाः, काम क्रोध तथा लोभ, काम क्रोध तथा लोभ, तस्माद त्वयं तु त्यज्यते, तस्माद immediately what you have to do, you just have to give up this all factors, the gates which are responsible for the leading toward the hell and as well as the degradation of your soul. What are these three factors, three gates? Lust, anger and greed. Lust, anger and greed, three factors, three gates are responsible for leading toward the hell. This is what Lord Krishna stated. Lord Krishna here further stated, Yoma pasyanti sarvatah, sarvama mahi pasyanti tasyaha na pasyami cha me na pasyanti. The person who is seeing me everything and everything seeing to me, I will never go far away from that particular person, and that particular person will never go far away from me. The particular person who see everything in me and everything in everything, the particular person who can see me. So in everything, if we see Lord Krishna is situated into each and every particle of this material world, then we will not do anything wrong with anyone, neither with a human nor with any living entity. So we must have to treat all living entity equally without making any kind of discrimination. Lord Krishna further stated the actual cause behind the fighting. Lord Krishna here stated, it's only your desire, it's only your expectation. Here Lord Krishna make all of us understand by one shloka. Here Krishna stated, ध्यायतो विषयान पुंस संग से तो पजायते, संगात संजायते कामः, कामात् क्रोधो विंजायते, क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोह, सम्मोहात् स्मृति विभ्रमः, स्मृति हिंसात् बुद्धि नाशो, बुद्धि नाशात् प्रणश्यति. ये कृष्णा स्टेटेड, फल की आशा से कामना प्रकट होती है और कामना का तो स्वभाव है असंतुष्टि. फल की आशा से कामना प्रकट होती है, कामना प्रकट होती है और कामना का स्वभाव है असंतुष्टि. असंतोष के कारण क्रोध जन्म लेता है, क्रोध के कारण मोह जन्म लेता है, मोह के कारण व्यक्ति आचार और व्यवहार का ज्ञान ही भूल जाता है. ज्ञान के चले जाने से बुद्धि चली जाती है और अनुचित प्रकार के कार्य होने लगते हैं और अंत में ऐसे व्यक्ति का पूर्ण रूप से पतन हो जाता है. दिस इज व्हाट लॉर्ड कृष्णा स्टेटेड. So Lord Krishna here tell to all of us, Lord Krishna here telling to all of us, what does Lord Krishna say? Lord Krishna here stated, niyatam kuru karma tvam karma jayahi akarmanah sharir yatrapi chatena parisadyate nato karmana. He Krishna Vasudeva Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janardana Govind Gopala Govardhana Kesava. He stated, perform your prescribed duty. Working is better than not working. Working is better than not working. And no one can maintain his or her physical body without performing his duty. No one can maintain his or her physical body without performing his duty. So we just have to understand we are not doer of anything. So if we are not doer of anything, then what kind of arrogance we are having hold? What kind of arrogance we are having hold? If we are not doer of anything, because Krishna Vasudeva Madhusudan Mukunda Murari, he is a doer of everything. So he stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Aham Buddhi Dadami Yogam, Aham Buddhi Dadami Yogam. I am giver of intelligence. So your intelligence is only and only because of me, because of Vasudeva Krishna, because of Madhusudana, because of Krishna, because of Gopala, because of Madhava, because of Murari, because of Kesava, because of Janardana, because of Govardhana, because of Vasudeva. We are having a too much intelligence. Without his mercy, without his blessing, we are not getting any kind of intelligence. And Lord Krishna here stated in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna here say, means why these kind of differences of the thoughts, differences of the behavior, because of Rajas, Tamas and Sattva gunas are there. Because of Rajas, Tamas and Sattva gunas we are acting, we are actually behaving. Lord Krishna here stated, Sattvan Rupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata, Sattvan Rupa Sarvasya Shraddha Bhavati Bharata, Yo Yasasva Yam Shraddha Mayo. Sattvan Rupa Sarvasya. Actually, our behavior and our nature, because of Sattvan Rupa Sarvasya, whatever division of the faith is only responsible for the three modes of the material nature, Rajas, Tamas, and Sattva gunas. Rajas means to work for our personal interest. We are having some desire, some goal, some expectation. Rajogunas. Rajas, Tama guna. Tama means living like an animal without any kind of means just living for sake of living. There is a no goal, there is a no things. Rajas, Tamas, and Sattva. Sattva means always adhere with the truth and always working in the devotional services, always render devotional services unto the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna, I would chant the holy hymn of Lord Krishna. Krishnaya Vasudevaya Hariye Paramatmane Pranata Klesha Nasaya Govindaya Namo Namah. Pranata Klesha Nasaya Govindaya Namo Namah. Om Sahana Bhavatu. This is the actual meaning of this particular slok is Om Sahana Bhavatu. Sahana Bhunaktu. Sahaviryam Kurvavahe. Tejasvina Aditam Vastu Ma Vidvisavahe. Om Santi Santi Santi. Here Lord Krishna stated about Om Santi Santi Santi. Because Krishna stated there is a peace on this material world. If we are thinking about each other, if we are thinking about in the welfare of each other, and if there is no unity in the society, there is no dharma in the society. Unity is the main cause, is the main pillar of the dharma. So we all must have to get together and united with each other without making any kind of discrimination on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the religion. There is no discrimination on the basis of the physical body. If you really want to make a discrimination, then make a discrimination by the quality of your soul. By the quality of your soul, how much you are having quality to get the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, then compete yourself in the race to obtain Lord Krishna. The competition should not be on a wrong manner, wrong way, and a wrong path. It should be leading toward it should be selfless competition. So whenever there is a selfless competition, when we are comparing ourselves, we are degrading ourselves. So Lord Krishna here stated, try to obtain all such a quality by which you can lead to me, and you just have to abandon the arrogance, the lust, the greed, the attachment, material attachment. Means someone is thinking, he is my husband, he is my wife, she is my wife, and this is my family, that is my family, and that person is my enemy, and this person is my friend. Here Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Govardhana, Vasudeva, Kesava. Here stated. What does Lord Krishna say? Here Lord Krishna stated in verse number 19, chapter 19 and 20, chapter number 12, devotional services. Here Krishna directly stated. Here Krishna say, what does Krishna say? Sama Satru cha mitra tatha man apman yoha. Sama Satru cha mitra tatha man apman yoha. Sitoshna sukh dukhesu sam sanga vivarjitah. Sitoshna sukh dukhesu sam sanga vivarjitah. Sam sanga vivarjitah. तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर्मुनि संतुष्टो येन केनचितः, तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर्मुनि संतुष्टो येन केनचितः, अनिकेत स्थिर मतिरः, अनिकेत स्थिर मतिरः, भक्त मामं च मे प्रिय नरः. Verse number 18th and 19th and 20. Krishna Vasudeva Madhusudan Mukunda stated, Sam Satru Chamitra Tata Man Apmanayoha, Sitosuna Sukh Dukhesu Sam Sangha Vivarjitah, Tulya Ninda Stutere Moni Santushto Ena Kena Chitah, Aniketa Stira Matira, Aniketa Stira Matira, Bhakta Mamam Chami Priyanaraha, one who is equal with a friend and enemy, who is equiposed in honor and dishonor, heat and cold, and happiness and distress, fame and infamy, who is always free from the contaminating association, always free from the contaminating association, always silent, always satisfied with anything, and who doesn't care for any residence, who is fixed in knowledge, and who is engaged in the devotional services. Such a person is very dear to me. That particular person is very dear to me. This is what Lord Krishna stated. यह कृष्णा स्टेटेड है कथा संग्राम की, विश्व के कल्याण की, धर्म अधर्म महाधर्मन, सत्य सत्य कलेश कलंक, स्वार्थ की कथा परमार्थ की, भक्ति है शक्ति है, जन्मों की मुक्ति है, जीवन का संपूर्ण स्वार्थ है, कृष्णा की महिमा है, गीता की गरिमा है, गीता की गरिमा है, ग्रंथों का एक ग्रंथ महान है, महाभारत. The actual reason behind the battle of Mahabharata was only and only arrogance of Duryodhana. He didn't absorb the superiority of Pandavas, and he has some kind of temptation. He had some kind of greed to obtain the entire kingdom of Kauravas, entire kingdom of Pandavas. He wanted to become a king, Raja. His personal interest. Whenever we are having a personal interest, then all kind of fighting, all kind of adharma practices will definitely be existence. So this is what I am trying to tell you. Our arrogance and our expectation, desire, these all are responsible for our fighting. So religion is a not cause of the fighting. If the religion is a cause of fighting, then a Hindu person can't fight with Hindu, Muslim person can't fight with Muslim, and Christian person can't fight with Christian person. So it's only and only our arrogance. This is what I would have to say. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any question, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Shri Radhe.